Short-term power outages and blackouts are inconvenient. In some cases, these outages can be life-threatening. A power outage in July in Arizona is much more dangerous than one in February. By preparing in advance, you'll have a plan to use when the electricity goes out. The best way to be prepared is to plan ahead. Prepare your family and home. Write a family communication plan and make an emergency supplies kit. Follow energy conservation measures to keep the use of electricity as low as possible. Fill plastic containers with water and place them in the refrigerator and freezer. The water will help keep food cold during a temporary power outage. Most medication that requires refrigeration can be kept in a closed refrigerator for several hours without a problem. Check with your physician or pharmacist. Keep your car's gas tank at least half full. Gas stations rely on electricity to power the pumps. Know where the manual release lever of your electric garage door is located and how to operate it. Carry a key to your house, even if you regularly use the garage as the primary means of entering your home. Think about the unique needs of your family. If you use a battery-operated wheelchair, life support system, or other power-dependent equipment, contact your power company. Many utility companies keep a list and map of power-dependent customers. Ask what alternatives are available in your area. Have an extra battery if you use a motorized wheelchair or scooter. A car battery can be used with a wheelchair, but will not last as long. Keep a lightweight manual wheelchair for backup if possible. Have extra batteries for your talking or braille clock or large print timepiece. Set your thermostat at 68 degrees or lower in winter and at 78 degrees or higher in summer. Install a programmable thermostat so that your system runs only when you are at home. Use appliances early in the morning or late at night. Open drapes and shades on south-facing windows during the day in the winter to allow sunlight in your home. Close them at night to keep the cold out. Keep window coverings closed during the day in the summer. Clean or replace furnace and air conditioner filters regularly. Turn off lights, appliances, and computers when not in use. Avoid using a screensaver on your computer monitor. Purchase energy-efficient appliances, lights, and windows. Wrap the water heater with an insulation jacket available at most building supply retailers. Watch your local television or listen to the radio for weather forecasts and stay aware of changes in the outlook. Use flashlights for emergency lighting. Never use candles due to extreme risk of fire. Keep refrigerator and freezer doors closed to keep food fresh. Check food carefully for signs of spoilage before eating. Turn off or disconnect appliances, equipment, or electronics that you were using when the power went out. Listen to local radio or watch a battery or generator-powered television for updated information. Leave one light on so that you'll know when your power returns. Do not call 911 for information. Call only to report a life-threatening emergency. Take steps to remain cool if it is hot outside. In extreme heat, when the power may be off for a long time, go to a movie theater, shopping mall, or cooling shelter that may be open in your community. If you stay home, move to the lowest level of your house since cool air falls. Wear lightweight, light-colored clothing. Drink plenty of water, even if you do not feel thirsty. Put on layers of warm clothing if it is cold outside. If the power may be out for a long time, plan to go somewhere else, such as a family or friend's house or a public facility that has heat to keep warm. Provide plenty of fresh, cool water for your pets. Eliminate unnecessary travel, especially by car. Traffic signals will stop working during an outage. Remember that equipment such as automated teller machines and elevators may not work during a power outage. Get advice from a licensed professional, such as an electrician, if you are considering getting a generator. Make sure the generator is listed with Underwriters Laboratories or a similar organization. Some municipalities, air quality districts, or states have air quality permit requirements. A licensed electrician will be able to give you more information on these matters. Throw away any food that has been exposed to temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius for 2 hours or more, or that has an unusual odor, color, or texture. When in doubt, throw it out. Check with your local emergency manager and ask about the emergency plans for your area. Visit ein.az.gov for more information and tips.